Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to be making homemade pasta. Yeah, we are going to be making homemade pasta. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next one. Bye. So guys, I'm not going to add a bit of oil. You can see my water is boiling. So it's time for us to test our pasta. I'm going to add oil. Just going to put the pasta inside. Then add a little bit of salt. Let it cook for like 2 minutes. No, this is homemade pasta. 2 minutes is okay, not too much. Yeah, because homemade pasta is not so strong as the normal regular pasta. So 2 minutes is okay. So I'm just going to add it to it. Then add a little bit of salt, like so. Then just stir everything together. You can see the homemade pasta. It's looking good, guys. So leave for like two minutes to cook. So guys, I've washed the first water out, the starch. I've washed it out. So it's time for me to add my tomato sauce, which I made earlier on. You can see. Now I have some meatball inside. So let me put it into it. I'm going to add some meatball to it. So let's stir it together. Let me see if the sauce is okay. Wow, guys, are you guys seeing this homemade pasta? Wow, this is good, guys. This is super good. I think the sauce is okay. Yeah, it's okay. We're going to leave it, add a little bit of water so that it can cook along with the sauce. Then let me taste for salt. Super good. Super. So I'm going to add a little bit of water so you can just cook along with the sauce. You can cook with the sauce, okay? Just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. So like so.